Hi, ladies, and welcome. I'm Donna. I first want to address my group, which I'm going to talk to all of you about, and I hope you like it enough and find it interesting enough that maybe you'd like to join. The name of the group is Beauty Secrets and More for the Mature Woman, the DIY way. We don't like harsh chemicals in our products. We don't like products that don't have enough product and it's all water. We don't like products that we have to spend for one jar, maybe 60, 70, 80, maybe even $100 for, and it doesn't work. What we want are results. So the first thing I am going to show you is the company that I do represent. I sell nothing. I promise you I sell nothing. But this one company that I do represent, I did a lot of research on. I do a lot of research on everything that I make to make sure that I hurt no one. So I want to show you vitamin C in its purest form. This here is put out by LP Cosmetics. It is an unbelievable vitamin C. Ladies, I'm 57 years old, and I've been using this product here for over a year now. I started taking the sun when I was 18 years old, well into my 30s. I don't do that anymore. I had terrible, terrible dark spots all over my face. Thanks to this product and a couple of DIY products, of course, as well, did a wonderful job. There is 85%. Look at that thickness. You hear that pop? That means there's no air in this vitamin C, none. There's 85% vitamin C in here and just a little preservative so no bacteria gets into this. I'm going to come close to the screen so you see my face, ladies. You're not going to see a dark spot. Not even a wrinkle. For 57, I think that's pretty good. This one jar here will last you about 2 months, and it's going to cost you less than what it would cost you to buy a wrinkle cream. This gets rid of your dark spots. It actually plumps up your skin, and you can use it around your eyes, and it lessens your wrinkles, and your skin is going to feel amazing, ladies. I have to tell you that it's a wonderful product. She also has a wrinkle, well, it's not a wrinkle cream, it's a moisturizer. It's also a vitamin C moisturizer. It has nothing but orange. No preservatives, no additives, no water in here, nothing. You put this on your skin drinks it in, your skin loves it. You wake up in the morning, you'll feel how silky and smooth your skin is. It's amazing. She also has, and there's only 2 more products I'm going to show you, ladies. Can anybody guess what this is here? Did you ever see an eye cream as big as this jar here? This is all by Noche y Dia, LP Cosmetics. That's the site you have to go to, LP Cosmetics. This is an eye cream. Ladies, look at my eyes. Do you see any bags? Well, a year ago, I was approached by LP Cosmetics. I won their contest, and they asked me to try their products. And I did. After 3 days of just using this eye cream here, I was blown away. I had such sallowness here and such puffy eyes, I wouldn't go outside. I didn't like that. I looked well over 60 years old. It was horrible the way I looked. This product here versus the little tubes that they give you for eye cream will last you 3 months, and you're going to pay what it costs you for a little tube of eye cream. So it might be something you want to consider. There are no chemicals in here. It's all natural. Everything here that I'm talking about is from Spain. Now they put out, and this, ladies, is going to blow your mind. This here is a caviar cream. It is so satiny, silky, smooth. It has a pleasant smell. The minute you put it on your skin, 5 minutes later, your skin just plumps up. And your wrinkles, they're gone. Using it for about, I want to say 3 weeks, and I had really, really droopiness going on here, and I have big, big, deep lines here, and a lot of wrinkles over here. They're all gone. All gone, ladies. I was just so amazed by the product. LP Cosmetics is a good company. It's a small company, but it's an honest company. And I don't represent anybody or anything that I don't think works or believe in myself. Just so you know. Now I want to talk about my group, DIY. First, to all my beautiful ladies out there that are in the group right now, we're having a contest. And the contest ends April 30th. And what I'm giving away are these satin pillowcases. They come in an array of colors and prints. You get to choose your color, you get to choose your print if you win the contest. So far, only one person has entered the contest. It's a shame because they're not cheap, they're pretty expensive, and I'm going to tell you why. When you sleep on a cotton pillowcase, polyester, whatever it's made of, other than satin, it draws the oils out of your face, out of your hair. Your skin gets dry. You wake up, you got creases on your face, and your wrinkles look more deep. They found out doing a survey, sleeping on a satin pillowcase actually maintains the moisturizers that you put in your face, on your face before you go to bed. You wake up, your skin is silky, it's soft, it's smooth, and you still feel like you have your moisturizers on your face. It even keeps the oils in your hair so your hair maintains the shininess and the suppleness that we all want. This is a product that I don't think I'll ever be without. I'll never sleep on a regular pillowcase again because the difference you'll see in a week. You'll go to bed, put your moisturizers on. Ladies, you're going to love this because you're going to see the difference. It's amazing. It really is. I have about 12 of these now, and I think I'm kind of done for a little bit. Anyway, that's that. Now I want to talk about collagen and the epidermis and the elastin in your skin. Ladies, we all want to be young. But unfortunately, we are all going to age. But we want to at least age gracefully. So I tried a number of collagens. I have a drawer full of bottles and jars of things that I tried, and they just didn't work. That's why I went to DIY and did a lot of research on it. The one thing I did buy was this collagen here. This collagen actually has what your skin needs. It has the peptides, the hyaluronic acid, the glycolic acid. It actually has elastin, and it's taken internally, and it really tastes good. Actually, it tastes like a fruit drink. It's all berries. This will last you a month. I have 10 jars downstairs because right now they're having a sale on this, so I took advantage of the sale after I saw what it did for me. I was a little drawn. You know, these are little products that I showed you before. It didn't do it all for me. I had to do a lot of work, and here I am a year later. If you search, you'll see me. I'm on a YouTube video now representing LP Cosmetics from last year. If you look at the difference now to then, you'll see that my skin has gotten way better. And I don't think I look 57. Maybe you think I look 57. That's fine. Now I'm going to talk about my DIY products. Ladies, I know that you're apprehensive about your products. I know you don't know really how it works and what to do. Just Google. Go Google DIY for facial products. There's a lot of DIY products out there, so you have to make sure you put it in that way. This here, ladies, are the jars that I purchased. And this is my green tea facial scrub. Green tea is very, very good for your skin. It tightens your skin. It's very, very high in antioxidants. And it makes your skin tighter and softer, and also gets rid of your wrinkles. It's an excellent face scrub, ladies. Then I proceeded to make this mask. These have to be airtight jars, ladies. This is my all berries. I got blueberries in here, blackberries in here, raspberries in here. You put this on your face. It's a mask. You just lay back for like 20 minutes. You want to lay back for longer, fine. Then you're just going to rub it in gently and wash it off. Do it on a clean face and then continue with your routine, whatever it is. Ladies, you are going to be amazed. 3 times a week you can use this. It's an excellent product. Then I made, it's a scrub. What I have in here is coconut powder and rice powder. Now in this jar, the reason why it's not mixed is because it doesn't have a very long shelf life. It's a scrub for your face. It will get rid of all your dead skin cells. All you do is take a little bit of the powder, put it into your hands. Don't wet it in the jar. Put it in your hand, rub it around, and then rub your face for like 5 minutes. Just keep on rubbing gently and getting rid of all those dead skin cells. This you can do every night if you want to. It's a very wonderful product. Then I made this amazing pumpkin scrub. I was running out of jars and I didn't know what to do. But ladies, look at that. Is that amazing? And I gotta tell you, the smell, I am like, wow. I can't believe it actually smells like it's got sugar in it, and it's got pumpkin in it, and it's got all other kinds of good stuffs in here. Like your essential oils that you really do need, you know. Everybody needs a different type of essential oil. Some people have dry skin. Some people have oily skin. Some people need tightening and firming. And some people have dark spots under their eyes. So everybody's different needs are different. What else can I show you? Oh, I made this, ladies. I just gave away one. This here is a body wash. It's a scrub, actually. I'm sorry. It's all cherries. The smell is amazing. This is made with raw sugar. This, ladies, I keep it in my shower. When I shower, I exfoliate my body with it. It's marvelous. You can make all different types. Whatever your preference is, you can make it. I also made, just the other day, I made this face moisturizer, but it's also a wrinkle cream. I made it with shea butter, and I believe I put 6 essential oils in there. I'm not giving away any of my secrets. You want my secrets, you got to join the group. This, ladies, is a marvelous, marvelous, marvelous scrub. Just want to show you. And it stays on your skin and soaks in. You put it on before you go to bed. You wake up in the morning. Oh, my God. I mean, I'm just touching my face all the time. Literally, that's all I do. I love my face. I'm very happy with it, is what I can say. Then my next DIY product that I did make was an eye serum. It's made with coconut oil. It's made with avocado oil and a bunch of essential oils. Save bottles if you have them. If you don't, you can order them on Amazon. But I like the bottles, so I save the bottles. Lady, this is a marvelous product. As you can see, the coconut oil settles to the bottom. That's why we give it a shake. I'm going to just give you one peek at what we're dealing with here. First of all, there's one product here I do have to show you. This product here, it's actually hard to pronounce. It's piment du dough or something like that. Anyway, this here got rid of the rest of my dark spots. It comes in a cream. It comes in a powder. You mix it in with your favorite night cream. You could put it on directly onto your dark spots. I don't recommend it because it's kind of strong, and I don't know if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't do it. I did it. I don't have sensitive skin, so it worked for me. I had a big brown dark spot over here. See how light it's gotten? And I have no makeup on, ladies. I have a little eyeshadow on, maybe a little blush, but that's about it. No under eye cream, nothing. This I love, and I have that remedy as well on my site. And these are just basically all your essential oils, ladies. You have licorice. You have geranium oil. You have sweet tea tree oil. You have vitamin E, grapefruit. There is lavender oil. This is, let's see, the same thing I just showed you. This one here is sandalwood. Ladies, this is something that's going to be in a lot of the recipes. Then we got myrrh. Comes in powder, it comes in liquid, depending on what you're making. Ladies, there's so much more I can go through here, really, and we'd be here all day. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what we have here. The rose hip oil is a marvelous oil. You're making anything with, like I make rose water. I actually use fresh roses. There's a recipe as well on my site. I use fresh roses, and I boil them. And my house smells amazing after that. And that you do have to store in your refrigerator, but it will last you a while. So ladies, I just want you to not be apprehensive about the group anymore. I want you to understand that I'm here to help you. And if you have a question and you're not sure about something, ask me. That's what I'm here for, to help. I'm happy to do so. I want all of you to be happy, and I want all of you to be well. And be beautiful. Stay beautiful inside as well. You need to drink a lot of water, ladies. Seriously. At least 8-9 bottles of water a day. You want your skin to look great? That's another thing you must do. That's very important. Be well, my beauties. Hope to see you in the group. Bye.